How to change card on Cash App. First things first, open up the app. Make sure you're on the main screen by tapping that little $ icon right at the bottom center. From there, look up at the very top right corner and tap on your profile icon. Now just scroll down a little bit until you see Linked Banks. Go ahead and tap that. This brings up everything you currently have connected. Just pick the card you want to swap out. For this video, I'm going to change this first debit card right here. Once you tap it, a little menu pops up from the bottom. Instead of deleting it entirely, just tap Replace Card. Perfect. Now just type in your new debit card number. Once that's in, it'll ask for the expiration date, the 3-digit CVV security code on the back, and your billing zip code. Hit that big green Add Card button at the bottom, and you're all set. Now that your card is updated, you can click right here to watch my next quick guide on how to add Cash App to your Apple Pay. See you there.